Looking for a shampoo that not only cleanses but truly repairs your hair? Giovanni 2chic Repairing Shampoo promises to restore vibrancy and strength with a unique blend of natural ingredients. Imagine your hair feeling softer, shinier, and healthier, without the frizz or damage that so often comes from styling and coloring. If that sounds like what you need, keep reading. I've tried plenty of shampoos claiming to fix dry or damaged hair, but few deliver like Giovanni 2chic. What stands out is the powerful combination of freshly ripened blackberries and coconut milk. These ingredients work together to hydrate every strand from root to tip, sealing in moisture and protecting hair from further damage. Plus, it's 100% color safe, so it nourishes without stripping your hair's vibrancy. Whether your hair is untreated, bleached, or dyed, this shampoo handles it all with ease. Beyond hydration, Giovanni 2chic targets frizz by repairing open cuticles that cause roughness and flyaways. With botanical extracts like shea butter, keratin, and jojoba oil, it rebuilds your hair's natural softness and shine. The formula is free from harsh sulfates, artificial dyes, and is Leaping Bunny certified cruelty-free, meaning you get a clean, ethical product that treats your hair gently but effectively. One of the best perks? The scent. Users rave about its fresh, natural fragrance that's far from overpowering. Plus, the shampoo's concentrated formula means a little goes a long way, especially if your hair is short or fine. It's suitable for all hair types, and even works well on bright, bold colors, making it a versatile choice for anyone looking to repair and maintain healthy hair. If you're ready to give your hair the care it deserves, Giovanni 2chic Repairing Shampoo is worth a look. It's not just about cleansing, it's about renewing your hair's strength and shine while protecting your color and keeping frizz at bay. Try it when you're ready to experience a shampoo that does more than just clean. Your hair will thank you.